Hi guys, I hope every one of you are doing absolutely fine. So the today's video is about how to mount your luggage when you're going for long rides on your bike. So I have my Apache 200 and I just don't overdo it. I just put a duffel bag, a gym bag at the rear and one backpack and that's all. So whenever you go for a ride, you have to be very smart with how much you are packing, what all stuffs you are taking, and you have to make sure that you are making it quite compact. So here is a quick video which will show you how I hook it up with the J hooks and the bungee cords. So what you see here is pretty easy to mount. I used two bungee cords which you can get in Decathlon. Just go to the store and find this bungee cord. It will come in a pair. So you will get two bungee cord ropes. You will be paying around $3.99 for the bungee cords. And this is my duffel bag or say gym bag, 30 liters. You can also take 20 liters. But I think for 5 days of trip 30 liters will be apt. So I got this for 359 rupees. You can choose a better one from Decathlon itself or for any brand, but make sure it is cylindrical because that really helps on bikes. You can just put it like vertical or horizontal. I prefer horizontal because it gives you more space, so that is the only reason. And now here, this is what I have used to mount the bungee cord. Now you can see on this bike there is a small J hook holder, or you can simply put it as a hook holder, and I have just hooked it up here and it's done. It's as easy as that. It doesn't come off. Same that side as well. See, as you can see, this is how I have hooked it upon that holder. Now if you see this side, you'll see that the metal frame is, the frame is extended towards the tail light, and I have used that gap to hook it up on the rear side. Now this is not something which has been given intentionally, but that is a quick fix to mount your luggage behind, and it's pretty much sturdy. It fixed the bag really well. It won't move even if you do off-roads. This is not going anywhere. So yeah, this is one of the best setup you can do for your luggage on Apache 200. And definitely you can find these hooks and J mounts on almost most of the high-end or mid-range bikes. So yeah, this is how I do the mount on my bike. Now if you're already making guess that what I have packed in this bag, there is basically nothing much. I just keep 3 pair of t-shirts, 3 pair of shorts, 2 pair of jeans, and that actually is enough for a week's trip. So that is what I keep inside it. I keep some dry fruits, a bottle, and first aid kit, and everything is under a rain cheetah. Not rain cheetah, I would say it's like water resistant poly bag, which you can get it in any of the Decathlon stores. So I use that. You can also use dustbin polythenes, so even that is quite helpful, but it's upon you what you would like to use. This bag is not waterproof. You will find waterproof bags as well, so go for them. So yeah, that's pretty much is my mount setup. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Do let me know if you like the video in the comments down below. Also put your suggestions as to how I can make this mount better for myself. Also, I don't use the tank bag because that is a plastic frame out there and I cannot stick it, and feels really impractical to put it there. So thank you for watching, guys. Also, like the video, share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates if I put a video. Peace.